Prepare yourself for a revolutionary new development that will change the way your carpets are cleaned. This cutting-edge proprietary technology shifts the carpet cleaning industry paradigm by eliminating problems of traditional steam cleaning and greatly increasing the interval between cleans. The results are truly amazing. Be Clean professionals use an exclusive proprietary formula that acts on the carpet fiber in two important ways. First, surface tension in the fiber is reduced so that soil is much easier to remove. Second, taking advantage of naturally occurring positive and negative charges, static attraction is used to transfer the soil from the carpet to nylon static pads. How does Be Clean professionals compare to steam cleaning? To clean 1,000 square feet of carpet, steam cleaning uses about 25 gallons of water. With this much water, the backing of the carpet pad and subfloor also get soaking wet. Even with strong suction, the moisture is trapped and will take many hours to dry. During this long drying time, mold can grow, foul smells develop, and spots wick back up to the top. With the repeated steam cleaning, the carpet breaks down, causing carpet slack and early replacement. And all that water not only damages the carpet, but it weakens the subfloor, causing damage, which may require repairs to expensive replacement of subfloor material. Cleaning 1,000 square feet of carpet with Be Clean professionals uses only 3 gallons of water. That's right, just 3 gallons compared to 25 gallons of water used with steam cleaning. Be Clean professionals process never gets the carpet wet, bringing drying time down to just 30 minutes, and by doing so completely eliminates musty smells, spots returning, and the risk of mold, and you will never have to deal with hoses running through your building, running fans, or opening windows. Be Clean professionals process produces amazing results and is effective on Berber carpets, off-white carpets, high spotting situations, and can remove red stains. In this photo, a high-end international hotel wanted to see if Be Clean professionals could produce a better result. The hotel had cleaned the carpet 2 weeks earlier using a $20,000 steam machine with the setting at max cleaning power. Be Clean professionals then cleaned a 3-foot band of the carpet seen on the left. Notice how brighter the colors are. Next, the hotel wanted to see how Be Clean professionals would hold up and compare. This photo shows the same area after 3 months of heavy use. Again, notice the colors still remain in the 3-foot band of carpet that Be Cleaned clean. We enabled the hotel's carpet to stay clean much longer. Management was able to reduce the cleaning interval from 4 to just 2 times a year, saving them money and improving their appearance of the carpet. Be Clean professionals' restoration ability can also save many neglected carpets from replacement, often postponing replacement costs for 3 or more years, and can extend the carpet replacement cycle by over 50%. At Be Clean professionals, we're redefining what it means to get your carpets cleaned.